Okay, my friends, it's about time for me to truly fully declutter my space. Okay, here's my space. Well, from the top, where I can't touch anything most of the time, they look fantastic. And this is also the view most of the time when I'm on Zoom with people, that's what they see. But when we move the camera down, especially on the floor, it's a mess. And I hate that. Okay, my bed is always made. That's one thing about me, is that I make my bed every day, and so it's always made. Now over here, bedside, I need to declutter. Some of these stuff I don't really use all the time. Okay, I want to declutter that part. I want to declutter the top over there, and here's me. The dresser, the top of the dresser, I need to declutter that. And look, all these, most of these are planner related, notebook related stuff I want to declutter. And look at that, oh my goodness, declutter, declutter, declutter. And here, if there's a, that's the thing, if there's a surface, you know, I don't think this is me only. Human being has a tendency to pile things on top of surface. So look at that, how many layers of piling there on the floor. No, 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 no. I want my floor to be absolutely clear up. And my desk area, oh my goodness, too much stuff, too much stuff. I even have a book on the floor now. And then my closet, that's my closet there. I want to remove, this is my goal, is that I want to remove all the clothing, like limit amount of clothing in the closet. And I want to use the closet as a you know, really as a place where I can put my books, notebooks, my materials, like because I do a lot of writing and research. I want to put those things in there and limit my clothing to these dresser. So here's the quick progress report. The top dresser, it's all done. I think it looks pretty nice and neat to me. The way I set this up, there's something funny. I put all my jewelry in this glass jar, and I have hair accessory in this Vera Bradley container. Vera Bradley's cosmetic bag, transparent cosmetic. I love this design. I love this item. I have quite a few of them. They will serve different purpose. And guess what? This setup also serve as my camera stand. When I make a video standing here, I actually pop my phone on top of this, so it's there for a reason. So the major progress is really my dresser. As I mentioned in my vision video, which I show you, I want all my clothing to fit into this dresser. Now it's basically they fit. So this is a super old IKEA dresser. I had this for at least 15 years, if it's not more than that. I love everything about this dresser. The only problem is it's falling apart. It looks nice from outside, right? But the jewels, I feel at least 2 of them kind of is having issues. But anyway, this is IKEA's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 jewel dresser. And also I think it fits to the room. So I really want to have it fixed. Like I will fix it myself and I keep using it. So the first off one is not my, some, you know, I have other things there, not my stuff. The second one is mine. So here I have underwear, some accessories, a pillowcase, and then my underwear and socks, they are here. And this is merino wool underwear. So good, so comfortable. And some, I may have to put this away. These are the rings you use to wear scarf. And the underwear top I wear, they are all there. Okay, the second one here are the tops I have. So these are all long sleeve tops. These are 3 cardigans and 2 silk shirts underneath, and these are the short sleeves and also sleeveless tops there. And then this one I have a jean skirt. I have a shorts. This one I can wear to the gym. And this is another one I can wear to the gym. Long sweatpants, and another silk shirt. This can be used as a pajama or whatever purpose. I just love this one, so I keep it here. And another pillowcase. The bottom, just some other stuff there. Not very functional because it's kind of broken. So it's all there. Now let me flip you over here and take a look at the closet. Nothing. I have some clothes hanging, not all of it I only have the merino wool dress here. I'm hanging there, and that's it. Isn't that awesome? So you probably would be anyway, so let me just tell you. I wear these dress all month of March. So the whole month of March, this is the dress I wear. Now April is almost over, right? And I wear this one. They are exactly the same style. The only difference is this one is navy, this one is black. And both of them are merino wool dress, and they have pockets. Now, merino wool is something I am super into right now. It's been a while. I mean, you know, I studied in February, then start to wear them almost exclusively. When I say almost exclusive, that means even my underwear, my socks are merino wool. And obviously in March it's still kind of chilly here in Northeast, so this dress, it's all the way right tiny bit over my knees. So obviously I can't just wear a merino dress by itself, so I will have a legging underneath. I know it's a little bit difficult to see from the camera. Everything is black, dark color, right? But the legging is also merino wool. So I have, even now, I have a merino wool underwear, merino wool socks, merino wool legging, merino wool dress. The only thing that is not merino wool, but it's in any kind of cotton materials, would be the shirts I put underneath of the the dress. And there's a reason I do it this way, is because merino wool, I just don't want it to touch like the area like your armpit, which is very difficult to how to say that, like you have to put deodorant on, and when the deodorant touch the wool, can get a little bit whatever. So by wearing an undershirt, right, and then put the wool dress on, I don't have to wash it, and it doesn't get dirty. And for some reason, I mean, I haven't washed this dress. It still looks really nice. All I do at nighttime, I just air it out, hang it up, air it out. And the wool material, this is so nice. It keeps me warm. It's lightweight. This is not the kind of thick the way they put fibers together. I don't know how to explain on how they need it. This is really actually very light. Almost you can somehow can, I don't know if you can see a little bit, right? Sees through a little bit, right? But it's warm. It's I'm looking for any peeling. It's warm. It's lightweight. It's stretchy. So it can almost feel like a little bit like jersey. It's very stretchy. It keeps its shapes. I have big pockets. So I enjoy wearing this all month, March. All I need to change the undershirt. So I have different kinds of undershirt. I have different colors. That's when I show you before. You know, the tops. I have a purple one. I have orange one. I have black, obviously. And I have gray ones. These put underneath. And these are the shirts I can change in the wash. Obviously, I wash a lot. So for undershirts. But the top and these merino wool legging, I don't wash them so much. For some reason, they don't trap the odors. They don't how to say that. It's just very nice. If you have chance, I think you should. I mean, if you like, you can try. They are so comfortable, and I feel almost like a life-changing kind of experience. So besides the ones I show you, right, I have two these merino wool dress, and I wear another merino wool legging, and I have another legging. These are the, I would say, my wardrobe essentials. Will be exactly the same, almost the same of two sets, right? One black, one dark black, dark blue navy, and two leggings. I've been the second set is actually I didn't purchase until I finished wearing the first set for the whole month. Then I was telling myself, even though I love merino wool that much, but I don't want to just go crazy and purchase a bunch of them. So very deliberate, and after I finished wearing them for the whole month, this is the second month, April, I purchased another set, and somehow interchange just the leggings. When one I feel is a bit tired, I changed into the other one, and that's how I only need very small wardrobe. And when it gets a little bit chilly in the morning, or some other days here, we can still have temperature down to high 30s, no longer low 30s, high 30s, mid 30s. That would be the coldest day. But that's usually when at the nighttime. During the daytime, it's mostly like 50s, 60s, 70s sometimes. Then I really don't need any jacket. Otherwise, I would just put on my jean jacket. This jean jacket is actually I got it from thrift store, and it's also a little bit stretchy, and it keeps me warm. And this is it. And I consider this is my new uniform. It's so liberating. It feels so easy. These past couple months, I really don't have to think, oh, what I'm gonna wear, how to match them, blah 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 blah. Nothing. I just get up, put on the same thing, and sometimes jacket, sometimes no jacket. And as I show you, I also have another. I have 3 cardigans to choose from. I haven't wear these cardigans with my merino wool dress in the past couple months, or I always just have these jean jacket. And I have another little bit thicker cardigan, which I have already put away because I don't think I need that anymore. And that's it. So easy, so easy, so easy. That's the thing. Now I think I will continue this wool dress uniform until for sure the end of the April, which we still have a few days. And then I'm thinking about having skirt, maybe longer skirt, and then top. I just don't like to wear pants anymore. I don't like the feeling of wearing jeans even. I just feel like they are restrictive, regardless the design, the shape of it. You have the waistband, and then you have. I want to take a break from wearing jeans. I haven't get rid of most of my stuff. They're downstairs in a container in the basement. but I have a feeling that eventually I may declutter a lot of them. So anyway, so this is my current progress. I'm very happy about it. It's part of the environment, right, we live in. I want it to be something I enjoy. I don't think there's anything wrong with that. And the next step would be, I think I need to declutter and reorganize the other, all these binders, journals, and books in my room. And I will give you an update. Hopefully, in a week. That would be really nice if it can be done in next week. I will be super happy. All right. I hope you're enjoying this video. If you going through the same kind of journey with me, let me know. Have you tried merino wool stuff? And by the way, all my stuff, all the dress, leggings, socks, underwears, they're all from Amazon. I didn't go to those specialty stores, websites to purchase, because things sold over there are twice more expensive. These are good enough for me. Alrighty. All right, I'll see you next time. Goodbye, my friends.